coming down to it.
Are you curious about me? This one on.
Can we give some sheep some straw?
Yeah, no
That's
worries.
from Leo.
Do you like him too?
If you
Tom was infected with cows, so he has quite a lot of cows.
They're running round with you.
Who wants some of these? Does anybody want some of these? You want some of these? They do. You could give my dad a really quiet cow, and he'll transform it into the most confident.
you're gonna bang your head, be careful. No. Does feel like there's a hole there, so what we do,
Can I dig it?
we push this through first, and then you'll be able to feel them, whether there's a tunnel underneath.
Hiya. Hey up, girls. We ain't got anything. Oh. Farmer life.